In the last chapter, we took you to explore 3 spaces of MOREROOM Sintered Stone, bathroom high-end experience hall. In the bathroom, MOREROOM uses Sintered Stone as a material to achieve the perfect balance between design, art, and luxurious function.
So today we continue to follow our steps and we will take you to experience more for the Sintered Stone bathroom designs.
Gradient wallpapers is matched with green plants, feeling like you are in the nature. The combination of marble elements and plants is instantly balancing the heaviness of stone. The texture recreates the beauty of stone in every detail.
Sandy beige, warm ochres, dusky bronze, and the earthy tones are the timeless classic bathroom colors of the 2023. You can either use different nature-inspired shades together or stick to one hue's many saturations. Whichever the options you choose, the result ought to be stunning and serene. Although the styles are mineral, but the details are very unique. With a light pull, the bathroom cabinet can be easily opened. The reason is that the sintered stone of the cabinet door have reached the ultra-thin level of 3 mm. Combined with the bathroom cabinet door made of composite materials, it is both beautiful and practical. The countertop adopted all the sintered designs with the seamless appearance, which completely integrated into the tabletops. Due to the non-porous structure and the low water absorption of the sintered stone, it can create a stable performance of the resistance to the dirt and moisture. So it's an ideal surface that perfectly to match with your bathroom designs.
Walking into this space, you can feel the noble and elegant atmosphere. The whole piece of Calcutta viola is very attractive, and the Calcutta viola marble is also the most popular and luxury stone used by the designers. Whether it is used for island or dining table, the whole space is full of strong artistic atmosphere. Hurry up! Give new life to your space with Calcutta viola.
In our MOREROOM Stone Bathroom High-End Experience Hall, provides 8 latest bathroom space solutions, 8 different styles and decoration styles.
In the next chapter, we will continue to show you the 2 most distinctive bathroom designs in the entire exhibition hall. See you next time!